Mechanical harvesters move slowly between vineyard rows. Fresh grapes fall gently into collection bins during harvesting. Harvest bins filled with freshly picked grapes. Bins are lifted onto transport trailers at the vineyard edge. Loaded trailers leave the vineyard toward the processing facility. Transport trucks arrive at a modern grape processing plant. Grapes are unloaded onto stainless steel intake conveyors. Conveyors slowly carry whole grapes inside the facility. Overhead view shows large volumes of grapes moving through the plant. Grapes enter the initial washing tunnel. High-pressure water sprays clean dirt and residue from grapes. Washed grapes tumble gently inside rotary washers. Dirty water drains away as grapes continue forward. Clean grapes pass through optical sorting systems. Sensors scan each grape for size and quality. Defective grapes are removed automatically. Approved grapes align evenly on the conveyor. Grapes feed into the crushing machine. Crusher rollers gently break grape skins. Juice and pulp begin flowing into collection channels. Crushed grape mash moves toward pressing units. Pressing machines extract liquid from grape mash. Deep purple grape juice flows through stainless pipes. Close-up shows juice texture moving steadily. Seeds and skins separate from liquid juice. Pumice exits the system for byproduct processing. Pure grape juice continues through sealed pipelines. Juice enters large filtration tanks. Fine filters remove remaining solids. Juice clarity improves visibly. Filtered juice fills temperature-controlled tanks. Automated systems monitor pressure and flow. Juice is pumped toward evaporation units. Juice enters vacuum evaporation chambers. Heat gently removes water from the juice. Steam rises inside the evaporator. Juice begins thickening during evaporation. Multiple evaporation stages operate continuously. Moisture separates and condenses. The liquid darkens as concentration increases. Syrup viscosity becomes visibly thicker. Flow slows as grape syrup forms. Concentrated syrup exits the evaporator. Hot syrup moves toward cooling systems. Heat exchangers reduce syrup temperature. Syrup texture appears smooth and glossy. Stabilized syrup flows into holding tanks. Quality parameters are monitored continuously. Syrup is pumped toward packaging lines. Empty bottles move along filling conveyors. Precision nozzles dispense grape syrup. Bottles fill evenly with thick syrup. Caps are applied and sealed automatically. Sealed bottles pass inspection scanners. Weight and fill levels are verified. Approved bottles continue down the line. Bottles move toward labeling stations. Finished bottles exit the production line. Bottles are grouped for packaging. Cartons are formed automatically. Bottles are placed into cartons. Cartons are sealed and labeled. Cartons stack neatly onto pallets. Pallets are shrink-wrapped securely. Wrapped pallets move toward storage. Warehouse lighting illuminates stored pallets. Rows of grape syrup pallets fill the warehouse. Forklifts move pallets through aisles. Pallets are positioned for shipment. Loading bays prepare outgoing orders. Pallets are loaded onto transport trucks. Trucks secure grape syrup shipment. Final quality checks before dispatch. Warehouse activity continues smoothly. Syrup bottles remain stable during handling. Clean industrial environment surrounds the process. Automated systems maintain consistent flow. Production lines operate in sync. Close-up of syrup texture inside bottle. Light reflects through dark, concentrated syrup. Bottles remain sealed and clean. Cartons stacked uniformly. Pallet wrap tight and secure. Storage conditions remain controlled. Warehouse operations continue efficiently. Final shipments prepared for delivery. Grape syrup ready for distribution. Industrial lights highlight finished products. Smooth logistics flow inside facility. Production cycle nears completion. Final inspection area remains active. All systems operate without interruption. Clean stainless steel equipment visible. Organized storage ensures product safety. Finished grape syrup pallets remain ready. Export orders queued for shipping. Final view of loaded transport trucks. Trucks exit facility carrying grape syrup. Warehouse returns to steady operation. Remaining pallets stored securely. Production floor remains active. Machinery continues running smoothly. Final product consistency maintained. Clean packaging ensures shelf readiness. Syrup bottles prepared for market. Industrial workflow remains efficient.